OpenAI's new GPT-5 is insane and it'll be free. Sam Altman just dropped a bomb about GPT-5. Not only is it coming way sooner than anyone thought, but for the first time ever, it will be completely free.
My viewers don't care about GPT-5, 6 or infinity. My viewers want to make money without learning, without working. Well, that's why AI comes in, because it learns for you and it works for you. Unfortunately, this video is extremely boring, but good news, it is full of money, and I'm going to show you how you can model this and make money like him and probably like me as well, inshallah.
This changes everything about how we'll use AI, and I've got the inside scoop on exactly what this means for you. Stick around because this is huge.
Are you ready for the bomb? Now you will know why he made such an extremely boring video and making tons of money out of it.
If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency.
Did you hear that? He's the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. That means himself, which means that this video is a completely AI generated video. This man is not the real man right here. And guess what just happened? This video got 20,000 views in just one day. I know what you're saying. Mosh, why should I care about views? I want money. My friend, money is in the views. And without views, no one is making money. Listen, bro, do I need to go back and teach you the basics? Look, this is you, unhappy and sad because you don't have money. That's okay, I get it, because there's somebody out there who is happy living with 4 wives, 10 mansions and 5 Rolls Royces. And they have tons of money. They're walking around and dancing and waiting for you because you have something they desire. You have to give it to them. When you give them something they desire, they send this money to you, my friend. And that's how you make money and be happy. That makes sense? Now, where is this happy man? This happy man is right here, scrolling his phone, watching videos, watching his videos. And he knows that. That's why he puts all his time and energy making these videos. And in fact, now he doesn't even put any time and any energy to make these videos. He just uses AI. We publish training videos like this every single day to help people like you who are busy, have a 9-to-5 day job, don't have a lot of time to learn and do everything yourself. We try to make it comprehensive and bite-sized at the same time. We try to make it step by step as much as possible, and we need a favor from you. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. This way we can hit our goal of getting 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and you can be notified when we will upload our next money video. And if you think these videos are good, feel free to share with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to our channel as well. Let's go. Okay, so this is a boring topic. OpenAI's new GPT-5 is insane and it's all be free. Why is he even talking about something free? Because we know if you make a video about something free, you will attract a lot of freebie seekers, broke people. They will come and ask for free stuff. You need real buyers who have money to buy. We already established that, right? Then why is he talking about free? Because, my friend, it's not about free. It's about a news. A news that a lot of people will be interested in. That something new is coming and it has never been free before. Now it's going to be free. All he did was publishing a hot trending news, and across the 8-minute video there is literally nothing to learn. He is going back and talking about the same thing over and over. What was before, what's going to happen, what ChatGPT founder said in his Twitter, and that's it. Okay, Mosh, I'm already bored. Tell me where is the money and I'll just take the money and go. Is that what you're saying? It's okay. AI now is new and very few people have knowledge about it. So everybody is curious, and when something is new, you can get away with basic information in the form of news. Then again, you use AI to learn about it faster than others, and then make videos, content, short form video and long form video. Upload the long form videos on YouTube and short form videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All these platforms will send you views. What is views? Views are eyeballs of real people, and they have money. Now, how come this money comes to you? Your videos should be in a proper structure. Now, this structure will drive these viewers to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on your behalf, and when there is a sale, you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. How does that sound, my friend? And you must be asking, who is making money in this system? Well, my students are making money in this system. We are making money in this system. This is the power of AI-powered affiliate marketing. I can go on and show you tons and tons of results of my students, but that doesn't make it a get-rich-quick scheme. And these results are not typical. These members of our 99% Done For You program joined our program. They learned from our course. They took advantage of our 99% Done For You system. Get our team do the job for them. And they stayed consistent with the 1% of work, which means they had to be consistent of taking action for 45 minutes to 90 minutes per day. If you are interested to learn about our program, I'll drop a link in the description below. It will ask you to put your email, and after you put your email in the form, you will go to this training website. Watch this video training completely, and after watching this video, if you still have questions, you can chat with our AI chat agent. It is trained to speak just like me, and it will answer just like me. But in case you want a one-on-one chat with me, feel free to DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook Messenger. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Link to this training is in the description. It will give you a full step-by-step training on how the 99% Done For You system works. If you are wondering how he is making money by making these videos on daily basis, the answers are right here. This is his first and the main offer, SEO strategy session. Now, because SEO is almost dead because of AI revolution and Google adopting AI, this is his main offer. Get a free SEO strategy session plus discount. It will take you to this page. Now, because of AI revolution, SEO is almost dead. And all the SEO gurus now transition to AI. Now, everyone is helping their old and new SEO clients with the AI tools, tricks, and tactics to boost their search engine ranking. And he has a similar offer as well. He has tons of testimonials, proof of work, etc., etc. He is already building relationship, trust, and authority through his videos. And once someone who needs SEO learn about SEO or his ranking service, they will go through this page and book a session with him. And then he will speak to the prospect on the call and offer a service. I don't know exactly how much he's charging, but this kind of services usually cost starting from $2,500 to way up to $250,000. The next link is basically a bunch of AI courses that he has, hundreds of hours with AI. It's an access to the group, AI Profit Boardroom, and it's $49 a month. He has 93 members. So he's making 93 times 49, which is $4,557 per month. Guaranteed, he's making this money. We can see that. The third link takes you to another school community. Yes, you can start with a free trial, but after the free trial, you have to pay $79 a month. I don't know 400 members are paying $79 a month or not. Just to stay safe, let's say 10% of these members, which is 40 members, are paying $79 a month. That makes $3,160 a month monthly recurring income. This one link right here seems to be a freebie. When you click any of these buttons, it asks for your name, email address, phone number, then get it free now. It can be a webinar, it can really be a course, something that you just put your email, name, and phone number and get access to. But at the end, there is always something to buy. And I believe that's perfectly okay. This is how it should be. And the last link right here takes you to a $100 consulting call. So if you want to have a consultation call with him, you just have to pay $100 upfront and book a call with him. From this situation and from his number of subscribers, the type of views he gets, and the quality of content he publishes, in my opinion, I can see he earns minimum, at the very minimum, $30,000 to $50,000 a month. That's a complete assumption, by the way. I can be totally wrong. I'm just telling you from my experience. Now, do you see the value of building content, getting attention, getting those views? It's amazing, right? But this was an extremely boring video. So I thought, why not learn the whole thing super fast, make it more interesting, and show you how to do it. So step number 1, I go to the description, click show transcript, and then I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll click my handy dandy ChatGPT agent, grow. It's the 3rd version, by the way, and I will ask my AI agent to help me grow fast. It asks for the YouTube video URL. I'm gonna give it to it. I will give the link to the AI agent. Now it asks for the transcript. So I'll go to the description, click show transcript, and copy the whole transcript. Put it right here and then hit enter. My job is done. Now instead of watching that extremely boring video, I am learning this super fast. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and every step comes with what to do and why. Without even watching this video, I know that ChatGPT-5 is going to be completely free. Well, it's going to attract a lot of freebie seeker people rather than people with buying power. Still, it will help a lot of people at the same time. This AI will think better, which means it will give us better results. You got the point. Plus, I got an interesting acronym, which is GPT-5. G for get ready, P for pick an idea, T for turn AI into worker, and 5, sell, scale, say, buy, do your job. Now it's easy to remember, but I am not happy. I want to turn this into my video. Now I'm asking AI to write an interesting script just for me so I can make my own video about it. Click here, then I will go to my favorite AI video creator. I'll click create video, choose human. I'll choose the previous character. This character is basically kind of my cartoon avatar. Now I have 3 options. I can use text to speech, I can use voice recording, or I can import audio. For this one, I'm going to use text to speech. And I'm going to copy the script from ChatGPT and paste them here. I am done. And now I will click import speech. So AI is creating voiceover from the text. It's done. Let's listen.
The world is changing faster than ever. You blink and technology rewrites the rules.
Not bad. We're going to click next and click render video. Then I can go to my videos and wait for my video to get rendered. Instead of waiting for that video, why not watch another video that I already made?
Once upon a time, in a super-duper peaceful forest filled with giggly birds and bouncy bunnies, there lived Sammy the squirrel. Sammy loved to race. Fast, faster, fastest. His best friend, Toby the turtle, was slow, but oh so smart.
Now you might be thinking, why would you use this software instead of Hagen? I'll show you the reason. Go to Hagen pricing, because Hagen has a monthly recurring price starting from $24 a month if you pay yearly. And if you want the custom video avatar of yourself, then you have to pay $69 a month and you have to pay for the whole year. But if you go monthly, it becomes $89 a month. That's a lot of money. But this software has one-time price, unlimited usage. I will drop the link below this video. All right, my video is ready. Let's download it first.
The world is changing faster than ever. You blink and technology rewrites the rules. AI was just a toy. Now it's a weapon. But here's the real news. GPT-5 is coming and it's free. The biggest tech shift of the decade is here. You have 2 choices. Watch others use it to make money, or grab it first.
The full video with full information is here with me. I can use this video as my avatar and create a YouTube video. The best part, for a one-time price. Link to this software is below this video. We use AI and we learn new skills fast. Then we use our newly learned skill and knowledge. We make short videos. Then we upload those videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as short videos. And because these guys are in a war to get attention through short videos, they sent us a lot of traffic to our AI-powered automated sales funnel. This automated sales funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 to $1,000 in sales revenue or sometimes sales commission. This process helps us focus on only one thing. Use simple short videos from 30 seconds to 1 minute long and get all the traffic we want. You can see this account, this $471,615 was made using exactly this method. Even the beginner members of our program are doing it. You can see these commissions. 95% of these people who earned high ticket affiliate commissions joined our program as a complete beginner. If you think this is something that you want to learn more about, there is a link in the description. Go check that link. It will take you to a complete training where we explain you step by step what we do and how we help beginners to get this kind of results. And at the end, we will tell you about our program. The video is completely free to watch. Go ahead, watch the video, and we will see you inside. If you have questions after watching the video, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and we will see you on the next video.